I'm Marcia Tedmore, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And I'm here to show you some things that we got as part of our pre-order as a demonstrator. Because you're a demonstrator, you get to order certain things before they become live. New catalog goes live on May 1st, and I was able to order a lot of items because I went to Onstage in Houston. So I'm going to kind of walk you through that right now, what I've received so far in my pre-order. This is the new catalog that's coming in as of May 1st. It's different than the old catalogs. I'm going to do a video on May 1st to show it to you, but it's got a lot of cool tips and tricks that I really like, and I'll explain that more on May 1st. I'm not allowed to show you the inside of the catalog right now, but I can show you items that are inside the catalog. One of the things I like the best about the catalog is this color wheel. This is in the catalog. It doesn't have the white section, but the colors are in there. And there was such a request to have this color wheel done that Stampin' Up! Will be creating a color wheel. They'll be available to purchase later in the year. It won't have the in colors. Every year 5 colors leave and 5 colors come in. So the new color wheel won't have the in colors, but maybe it'll have some of the neutrals, which this one doesn't have. So it's nice that this is in the catalog and you can use it, but also having to be able to purchase one in the future will be awesome. So talking about the in colors, we get 5 new in colors this year. I fell in love with the in colors. We have Petunia Pop. We have Pretty in Pink, which is a returning one for us, so I'm glad it's back. We have Summer Splash, which is kind of a combination of Pool Party and Coastal Cabana. We have Peach Pie, which is a really pretty peach color. And I think my favorite is Shy Shamrock. I have all of the paper here so I can show it to you. I've gotten all the markers. I've gotten the blends that go with it. So I'll be all ready to get going. Here's the Pretty in Pink. And then the Summer Splash, which I really like. I love all of them. I think I'm in love with all of these colors. And then the Peach Pie is right there. And then the Shy Shamrock. I love this color. This is fabulous. I'm going to Ireland next month, so that could be my new favorite color. When you get your ink pads in, remember that on the back they have these labels. And I'll show you what you should do with them if I can find my Take Your Pick tool. You want to put these labels on so you can see them in your display. Right now the ends don't have any colors. So I use my Take Your Pick tool. You'll see there's a little, there we go, little corner that you peel up. And I put one on each end. So when it's in my display of colors, I can look quickly and see what the color is. Let's put that there. And then there's a second one at the bottom for the other end. So again, you just kind of peel it up with your fingernails if you have them, or my favorite Take Your Pick tool. And then that goes on this end. One year I forgot and I peeled off all the backs and threw them away. I had to go digging through the trash to find them. Alright, this one didn't go on quite nicely, but we can pick it up, straighten it out. I love my Take Your Pick tool. And then there's this piece left, and I just kind of peel it up and throw it away. So don't forget to do that when you get your new in colors, or anytime you purchase an ink pad from Stampin' Up! Okay, some really other cool things in the color selection is our new in color designer series paper. This is the in color 6x6 patterned, so it goes with all the new in colors. This is full of life. I saw this paper at Houston Onstage, and it reminds me of the 60s, but it's very bright and bold, and I think that'll be a lot of fun. We have 12x12 paper, which is spectacular. This is the Thoughtful Design Specialty paper. So it's got a shimmer to it. So it's one-sided, and it's kind of an ombre effect. And this is in the new in colors. So that's a specialty designer series paper that's coming about. We also have glimmer paper. Glimmer paper is to die for. That is also in the new in colors. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use this yet because I think you only get 5 sheets. But look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I just love this one. And again, the Shy Shamrock is spectacular. Then we have, let me see if I got all the sweets out. I don't know that I did. Oh yes, I did. This one is Unbounded Beauty. This is a 12 by 12. This will be part of a super suite because there's a couple of different stamp sets, a couple of different papers. This is really pretty. Again, a lot of the in colors with that one. And then they have more 6 by 6 papers. Let's see if I can find those. I don't know what I did with those. Okay, I put them away someplace very special. I can't find them right now. We also have some really cool new things that Stampin' Up! Is providing. They have card bases. Oh, here's my paper. This is 6 by 6. This is Thoughtful Journey. Beautiful, subtle landscapes and flowers. This will be really gorgeous to do things with. I like that one too. Alright, so they're coming out with these card packs. This one is called Sunny Springs, and this one is called Calming Creek. And you have 5 cards, and they are patterned, and they come with envelopes. And so they're patterned on the outside, different shades. This is the Creek one. This is pretty too. Again, pattern envelopes, different colors. And they've come out with ephemera packs. I learned a new word when I was in Houston. These ephemera packs are originally, I think they were used for scrapbooking. This one is something for everything, and it's all stickers. So if you're scrapbooking, this would be fabulous. Or maybe you want to put it on a card. Be kind of cute for a little kid's card. This is the Say Something. So this is all words, and again, all stickers. Something and some in handwriting for cards or scrapbooking. The next thing is Labels and Layers. This is all different kinds of labels. So I think it would be super simple to make a really quick card to go with that. Put it back in my package here. I'll just put it aside. And then the last one is Fully Flowering. This is my favorite because it's all flowers. And again, stickers, all sorts of different flowers. So super simple to whip up a card with the card pack and your ephemera. They've got new Memories and More. This is Unbounded Beauty. This one's got some beautiful stuff in it. It's got cards that you can use for scrapbooking or for card making. They're two-sided. This one is called Thoughtful Journey. And again, this has similar papers to what the other designer series paper was I showed you. But again, two-sided, so scrapbooking or card making, whichever you prefer. There are a lot of new stamp sets and dies that coordinate, some with some of these suites. I will do a separate video of the stamps and dies that I received because there's quite a lot of them and the video would be too long. The other thing that came out, I love ribbon. These are the ribbons. So we have the in colors. We have a combo pack of petal pink and white diagonal trim. That's very pretty. And then there's another color. And I'm trying to find the ribbon for it. It disappeared. It's Basic Beige. So they've added another neutral, I guess you could call it. I don't even think I've opened it up yet. It truly is beige. I don't know how I feel about this yet. It has kind of a yellow tinge, I think, but it looks really good with a darker cardstock. So that's a new color that's not an in color, but it will be part of the new color system. And I thought I had a Basic Beige ribbon, but it escaped, I think. the other thing that's new is a lot of new dots. These are the In Color resin dots. These are really pretty. These are basic gray and smoky slate pearls. It'd be really nice for a sympathy card. This one is the Adhesive Back Trio. It's really pretty. And this is gorgeous. This is the 24-26 In Color Shimmer Gems. So, those are the new colors. I will do another video of the stamp sets and dies, and you can kind of see how it all comes together. The new catalog is kind of a teaching catalog, and you will see that when you look at it. It starts in the beginning with a very simple stamper, and then it advances to someone, and simple stamper would be like with kits. Then it advances to someone who wants to branch out a little more and try their hand at creating cards. And then the last one is the Avid stamper towards the end of the catalog. And they have all those listed, separate dies and stamp sets if you really wanted to create your own and you felt like you could take that on. And I certainly think you can. With all these tools, it makes life very easy. I'll be doing more videos in the future and kind of showing you how you can use those card packs. I really like those. I probably will do a class where you get the card pack and a couple of the ephemera sheets and create cards, because I think it'll be a nice, simple, and easy way to get some cards out. I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are in the mood, and I hope you keep crafting. Thanks. Bye.